Dubai is a place of fashion, we all know that. Therefore, today I decided to talk to Mrs. Rashna Rahul, the owner of unique leather fashion brand Native.
Coming to Dubai was most of a family decision. Since my family had moved here, I was completing my education in India at that time. And once education was complete, there wasn't much of a choice given. So yeah, we had to move to Dubai. Honestly, it was 20 years back. So at that point of time, a person coming from a country like India, which is so busy and chaotic, and to a place like Dubai, it was so calm, peaceful, and hardly any development had happened. So in the beginning days, it was very difficult for me to be able to adjust to that change, because you come from a place where you're surrounded with relatives and you're surrounded with friends. And it's a very different lifestyle in India when you're living a family life. And then suddenly coming to a country which was still on the verge of just developing. It was hard in the beginning, I would say that. But then suddenly there was a different sprout of developments happening. I still remember the whole excitement about the first Dubai shopping festival, and it was something that was the beginning of excitement in Dubai. And from there on, yes, it took me time, but we kind of blended in pretty well, because Dubai itself gave us a huge opportunity to blend in. I'm a businesswoman. I work with my husband. We are both business partners. We have a company which develops, manufactures genuine leather products in UAE. It is one of the only kind of facility that develops genuine leather products in UAE. It's a unique project, and we deal with all kinds of leathers, and what our specialty is, we are into fashion. In fact, we are the only factory which is manufacturing fashion in UAE. We are manufacturing for a few local brands, and now we have launched our own brand, which is called Native. It's a fashion brand. We are manufacturing fashion bags with camel leather, which is very much native to the region as well. And also we have a range in exotic, which is python, ostrich, and we'll be very soon moving into crocodile as well. Native is such a unique project on its own, because it comes from this region, and a lot of people don't expect a genuine leather fashion product coming out of UAE. So it was one of our desire to let's just take it to the world and say that UAE has a different side to it. Dubai is not only about tall buildings and shopping and glamour and malls. It does have a lot of substance. It has a soul to it, and Native would showcase that to the world. The way we've created the brand and the elements we've put into it, we have managed to create a brilliant product. I would say one thing that I've learned over the years living in Dubai, it is definitely a land of opportunities. It's not only a statement, it is something I can always stand by. The only thing is what Dubai really teaches you is the art of resilience. Art of resilience when the tides are against you. I mean, Dubai has set an example in front of the world. It has achieved unimaginable. It has come to a place where nobody ever thought an Arab country would reach in today's date. It is a place where everybody wants to be today. I absolutely love Dubai. I see life in Dubai. I see a lot of life happening in Dubai in every aspect. It's not only about the glamour of Dubai. I don't think there is any country in the world which can give you an exposure of cultures to the extent Dubai can. It's a country where almost every nationality of the world is around. I mean, today we walk around, when we are born and brought up in our own countries, we are a very different mindset. We are all surrounded with our own thinking of people. There is very less chance to evolve as a human being when you're surrounded with the similar people, similar mindset, similar culture. But the moment you come into Dubai, the whole world is around you without having traveled to the whole world actually. And that to me is extremely interesting and intriguing, because you get to meet so many kind of people, and it is so important for an individual's human growth to evolve as a person. I see myself completely taking Native to places. That's my focus right now, is the brand that we are working on. We want to put UAE on a global fashion map, and that is what the direction we are moving forward with. With Native, we have already started tying up with worldwide partners. We already have a partner in Italy, Linda La Palais in Bologna, and we are already in talks with tie-ups, retail tie-ups in Dubai as well. So in next 3 to 4 years, all I see is going out there, shouting out to the world and telling them, here we are, this is what we have achieved in UAE.